Welcome to the Kenya Standard Industrial Classification Portal. So this is a portal that is a comprehensive portal that is designed to classify all economic activities that are existing in Kenya. The classification is developed from the International Economic Activities Classification (ISIC), and in Kenya, we have classification up to digit 6, that is level 6. So in most countries, we have them up to level 4, but this is up to level 6. So I'll just take you briefly through how to use the portal. Now, this is the landing page of the portal, and from this landing page, you can get a brief information about what the portal is about. Then we have the number of classifications at each level. So at level 1, which is called sections, we have 21 classifications. At level 2, we have 88, and all the way to level 6, which we have quite a number of over 1,000 classifications. So from here, as a user, these are some of the functionalities you are able to access. The first one is classifications. So this one will just give you uh, access to informations that are related to information. Then these other two will allow you to do the code to do coding. For example, if you are doing a research, and in your research, maybe one of the questions was asking users about the economic activities they are involved in. So you can do coding based on what you captured in the field, align it with the Kenyan standard, and then in your analytics, you have a true reflection of economic activities distribution for that particular research. So if you to do that, the first step is you will click on KeSIC classification, and this will give you the general classifications. Like just you'll just be able to access a cascaded classifications. It's loading, yeah. Cascaded classifications, and then you can click any of them to be able to see what it entails. So, for example, we have agriculture. This is at level 1. We have mining, we have manufacturing, electricity, water, and all that. So if you click, for example, agriculture, you'll be able to see all the other levels, level 2, that are associated with agriculture. So at level 2, we have one, two, three levels. Then if you click any of these, we have additional levels there here. So you can expand it up to level 6, where you can get the specific one. And whenever you click any of these, you're able to get the details about it, the name and the description and the code. So this cascading, you can just browse through it to understand more. You can also do search. For example, you can search, let's say, meat here, and it will highlight all the codings that having the word meat in them. So at digit 6, so we have meat eateries, meat and meat products, and all that. So if you click, once you're done with that, you can also click on the basic classification, which will now give you those classifications in levels, which you can even download. So we have this is at level 1. You can have level 2. You just use this drop down, level 2, and then it gives you that. And if you click on any of these, it will give you the details on this other side, on the right side. You can click any of them. So that is one thing you can do. The second thing is, on the research part, if you want to do coding of your research, let's say you will come to either perform basic KeSIC search or perform advanced search. So to perform KeSIC basic classification or coding, you click on that. It won't require you to log in. So based on the keywords that you captured in your research or a survey, you can search that. So for example, if one of the keyword was targeting meat, you just type meat, and then search. So if you search, it will search in the database and return all the options that are related to meat. For example, here we have this one. So if this was the right one, you just click on it and it will populate a table down here. And then you proceed with another search. Let's say millet. If you click on millet again, it will search and return options. So for millet, we have one, you just click, and again, it adds to this table. If we are dealing with maize, you can search, and then it will also give you responses, and then select the one that matches your query. Then once you are done, you can click on proceed. It will take you to another section where you are now going to download this data into either CSV, Excel, or PDF, or print it direct. So it takes a little bit, some seconds to process. It's still processing. Yeah, so we give you this and you can download CSV and use it in your coding. If you have a number of keywords, let's say 100 of them, you might not be able to search one by one. So that is where you use now the advanced search. If you click advanced search, it will take you to a page where you will need to now create an account. After creating an account, so for me, I'll just log in because I have an account. After creating an account, you log in, and then this is now the advanced search where you will download a template, fill in all the keywords you want to search. Then after that, upload it back, and I'm going to upload that by getting a document which I've already filled. So let me just fill another one. So I'll download this. It has downloaded. I'll fill it with some keywords. So we are going to fill it with the keyword of, let's say, sugar. We are filling it with sugar. We are also filling it with driver. We are filling it with sorghum, no millet. We are also filling it with onion. Then you save after filling. After that, you just come back and upload. Then after uploading, you just click upload. So it is going to search for each of the keywords. So this is the sugar. Under sugar, these are the options that you have, and you can select the ones that matches the keyword that you are looking for. So let's say this, and we have it down here. For driver, let's say this, we have it down here. For millet, we have this and this. Then after that, once you are done, you click proceed, and it takes you to where you now export this one and use it. So you have the keyword, then this keyword, this is the search result. Its previous levels are all here. Then you can download in any format and use. Then we have the second, this other section. Maybe you want to now integrate. For example, if you are running, let's say, a recruitment portal, and you want to capture economic activities, you can integrate. And so to integrate, you will request. I've already sent a request, but you will send a request by filling in all this information, which an admin will process. And once they approve, you will be able to get access token here, API access token, which you can now use to do the integration. Then we have the feedback part, which in case you have any additional query, you can use to send a feedback. So basically, that is a walkthrough of KeSIC platform.